How to fix audio issues in the first Descendant. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily fix the audio issues in the first Descendant game. So in order to fix the issue, the first thing that you need to do is you need to simply update the audio drivers. For that, you just have to press Windows plus X and then you need to select Device Manager. Then you need to expand the sound, video and game controllers section. Then you need to note down the name of your audio device. Afterwards, you need to download the latest audio drivers. For that, you need to visit the manufacturer's website and then you need to search for the latest drivers for your specific audio device. Then you need to download the appropriate driver. Now once the driver is downloaded successfully, you just have to run it and then you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to complete the installation. Once the installation is successful, you just have to simply restart your computer. Then you need to right-click the sound icon in the system tray and then you need to select Open Sound Settings. Then you need to ensure your audio device is selected under Output. Then you need to test the game. For that, you need to launch the first Descendant and then check if the audio issues are resolved or not. If this method doesn't work for you, then what you can do is you can simply adjust the in-game audio settings. In order to do it, you first need to launch the Descendant or the first Descendant game and then you need to go to the main menu and select settings. In the settings, you just have to find the audio option. Then you need to ensure that the master volume is set to an audible level. Adjust the music, sound effect and voice volumes as needed. Toggle the audio quality setting to see if a different setting resolves the issue. Then you need to ensure that the correct audio output device is selected. Some games allow you to choose between different audio devices like speakers and headphones. Then you need to save your settings and then restart the game and see if the audio issues are fixed. So with the help of these two methods, you are definitely going to fix the issue of audio in the first Descendant game. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.